Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine AIM Adventure in Motion 15RB. Single axle, no slide, rear bathroom with the Murphy bed you see here behind me. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, check down in the description. I'll have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. Alright guys, standing in the entry door looking in. See the Murphy bed on the right. Kitchen, dinette, your bathroom in the back. Looking forward, you see the living area as a whole. We're going to go ahead and start at the Murphy bed. So one quick thing, check down in the description. I've got a comparison video where you can see 5 or 6 different models, different Murphy beds, and compare to this one. So make sure you check that out. As for this one, you've got drawers underneath. Got 2 cup holders, so a nice sitting area during the day. Little cubby holes, drawers, hanging storage. You got a fire escape window that opens, and you got blackout roller shades. Receptacle, charging area down low. So a nice thing here, it's basically jackknife sofa. You got one lock here, and that's your base. Then you've got the bed. So you do have enough room to get through. If you wanted to leave the bed down all the time, you can. It is tight, but you can still get through. You got a soft touch headboard, charging, receptacles on both sides, reading lights, overhead storage there. On these reading lights, you got a couple different options here as well. You got a night light or you got a spotlight. You've got plenty of storage, and for setting it back up, just lifting the base and locking it back in place. And it's as easy as that, setting up and breaking that down. Your convenience area is here. Control your lights, your awning, check your holding tanks. And that's the one control from Lippert, so you can sync your phone to that. Hot water heater. As soon as you come in, you've got a cubby hole down low for shoe storage. You've got a motion detector, motion sensor lighting when you come in. Your kitchen area. So a lot of people say they need more countertop space. The faucet and sink go down, and that's usable space. Same as the range. You can fold this up out of the way or drop it down for countertop space. You got a light, receptacle, another light, and you got nice storage up top. Your range does exhaust outside, and you got more storage there. Down low, you got a convection microwave oven, pots and pans drawer. Your fuse panel circuit breakers are here. You've also got a little cubby hole, deep drawers, and storage down low. Sticking with the kitchen area, one more basically deep pantry area above the fridge. And then you got your refrigerator, freezer down low. Your booth dinette, you got heat ducts there, as you can see, linoleum throughout. The telescoping booth dinette. Very easy setup and breakdown of that. We'll take a look at that here in a second. All right, underneath you got 2 levers to unlock the table. As you can see, you got charging area, receptacles, your furnace. You got Velcro that holds down your cushions. But once you release these two locks, you can drop the table down like so. And then you're going to want to lock it back in place. Once you do that, you can put your cushions in place. And then you've got a bed, your second sleeping area right here. And for setting it back up, again, utilize that Velcro. Cushions lock in place. And then when you unlock these tabs, telescoping table raises up and locks back in place. So it's that easy setup and breakdown of the telescoping booth dinette. Your TV, it is on a swivel arm, so you can swing it and see it from all over, and it does make that easy access to your hookups. Again, large window, blackout roller shades. In the ceiling, you've got your AC, got a roof vent, another roof vent in the bathroom. Mentioned in the bathroom, you got a pocket door that closes off the bedroom, living area, and bathroom. So good privacy, or if you don't want someone staring in at your toilet while they're having dinner. Your shower. I'm 6'5". My head almost touches in the shower, so I'm close. You've got the retractable shower door, reduces spills, self-cleaning. Got a heat duct in the bathroom. You've got a window that opens, and again, blackout roller shade. Drawers, lots of countertop space around that sink. A nice medicine cabinet and hanging storage. So nice room, very compact. You fit a lot in a small package here with the 15RB AIM. Let's work our way outside, and then we'll take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the logo, model number on the tongue, 2 20-pound LP bottles under cover, spot for 2 batteries. Got your convenience area with your battery disconnect, tire link, solar controller, outside shower. You can feed everything right through the bottom here. Keep that compartment door shut. Got motion sensor lighting and nice clean pass-through storage. Magnet that holds up your door with 2 latches. 15RB is a dry weight of 3,698 pounds. Single axle. You got the black tank flush, sewer connection, all 4-corner manual stabilizer jacks. Take a look down in the description. I'll have a link to those. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. On the roof, you got your solar panel, your AC, TV antenna, roof vent, your skylight, another roof vent, nice clean roof. You are prepped for backup camera. We are looking at a 30 amp service. You got 150 pounds weight rating on that. Your spray port will reach around to the griddles, your sprayer jacks, your steps, backside of your hot water heater, full length power awning with LED lights, your outside griddle. That's gonna tee right off your LP. Large assist handle and your model number. Other side of your pass-through storage, 30 amp power cord, your outside shower. Again, motion sensor lighting. Back to the door. Got friction hinge, stays where you leave it. And then you've got the step above entry steps that are adjustable, that fold down nice and easy. your brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15RB. Remember, if you're heading out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott.